Friday the 20th of September 2012, very quick silver update. This is the 1 minute time frame as of about 10 minutes ago, or that of 14:52 Greenwich time, 10:52 Eastern time. And the price action, let's just look at this red candle here, about 35.06 down to about 34.95, so that's a gain or loss of about 11 cents. That's 1/3% in 1 minute. That's a pretty decent sized move, which brought it down to this lower band. And then the moves got larger. Well, this one here had a top of like 34.80 down to 34.35, so that's a difference of about 45 cents or about 1.2%. And of course, just 1 minute. The secret or the key thing is these bands, when you break a lower band to the downside or an upper band to the upside, don't be surprised if you have larger volatile moves. That's pretty much the way it goes into play. And how this is going to react on the daily time frame, well, let's just take a look to see how this is looking. It has not killed this trend yet. In fact, it's still in this whole, okay, what are we going to do here? We got a little bit of an ascending triangle. Yes, we took out the previous high of a couple days ago that it took out. Just barely, but it still barely took it out. I'm still saying the same thing. As long as we stay above 34, then I'm not going to be looking to the next key level. But right now, if it does break down, I'd be expecting the 32.80 level to be that next significant support level, if of course it is at the point where it needs to correct. I was thinking that today was going to be that day that, as I was moving earlier on when the price was over 35, breaking through resistance, that we would maybe come up, maybe not even, maybe test the upper band, but even just move higher into the high 35s, 36 level. But that's why I want to adjust to the message of the market. It's not looking that way anymore, but it's also not showing as if it's breaking down yet either. Since this thing has broken out, it has not been below the 18 average of highs or closes. It went up to this upper band, went sideways, back up to this band, sideways, up, and it's been sideways ever since. There's still a lot of room to the upper band, and very much looking bullish early on, but has been downgraded to neutral for as of this point. I'm still surprised, to say the least, that last Thursday the Fed spoke, announced QE infinity, and since then it's been staying in the sideways consolidation. That just, on a free market, doesn't make much sense. But hey, who's ever said it was a free market? Thank you for tuning in.